Hello, welcome. Today we'll be dealing with biology past question 2019, and we are dealing with question 1. Which of the following structures will not be found in the nucleus? A. It says DNA. B. It says nucleolus. C. It says lysosome. D. Central. Now, to answer this question efficiently, we'll have to draw the structure of a simple cell. A simple cell. Now, a simple cell is like this. At the center, we have the nucleus. This is the nucleus. In the nucleus, we have the chromosomes. Now these chromosomes contain DNA and RNA. We have centrals, and we have the nucleolus. Now, this place is the cytoplasm, and in the cytoplasm we have the mitochondria, we have the lysosome, we have the endoplasmic reticulum, we have the Golgi bodies, and so many others. Now, from my diagram, you agree with me that the only structure that is not found in this nucleus of the cell, the only structure that is not found in the nucleus is the what? Is the lysosome. It is found in the cytoplasm. Now, the answer to this question is C, lysosome. Thank you. Please ensure you subscribe to